Hi and welcome to my channel. I am going to show you the contents of the Craftology box for May. This is a subscription that you can order through countrycraftcreations.com, and it ships out every 2 months, so you get 6 for the year. And in it comes a variety of materials to make some awesome projects, and the design team members make projects, and Tammy, the store owner, makes a project a lot of times. There are cutting guides for some of the projects that you'll get in the box. So let me show you what the May 2020 box will contain. So the company that we're using for this one is My Mind's Eye, and this is Gingham Gardens. And so this, you're going to get the sticker sheet, and there's some tags and some florals, and you have a sheep, and you have a frame and a saying here. It says making memories every day. You'll also get the chipboard elements, and so these are nice for adding the dimension. Flowers, banners, a tag. You have a nest. You have different sizes also, so you have smaller and larger. This says good things and the best days. There's also some on the back. So no matter how long the winter, the spring is sure to follow. Stay a while together, love grows, best friends. So this could really go for a lot of different themes. You could use it for a lot of different purposes in your crafting. So that's the chipboard collection. Let me get to the papers so you can see what those are like. There is 12 by 12 chipboard that will be included, so you can make a hardbound album. So you get 2 of each sheet. So the first sheet, it has a blue background with these really pretty flowers on the front. Again, this is called Gingham Gardens. And on the back you have a stripe that's got that kind of, it's not really mustard, it's like a goldish yellow. You'll get this one, again it's a light blue. I hope that shows up in the camera. And then there's like a gray in here. On the reverse side you have some floral stems, some leaves. We have a font page, so there's some script, some print. I really like the combination that they did on this one. And you have a blue gingham on the back. So when I see this, I think country, and I think recipe book. So that's where my mind's going for this. My Mind's Eye, that's exactly what it's called. Here is another floral pattern. And on the reverse side you have more of a pinkish color in the pattern. It's kind of a pinkish mauve. Here is a golden yellow type background with some white, and then the center of the flowers are a light black. And on the reverse side we have crosses or pluses. Yeah, this screams country to me. Here we have another plaid and a black and white. I think black and white goes with everything, so it's nice that they incorporate some of that black in there. And then the patterns will repeat, so you will get 2 of each. Okay, so let me kind of show you again what those look like. Okay, perfect. Now you will get a couple sheets of the spectrum paper, so coordinating paper to match that goes well with it. This is a gray, it's called Silver Dollar, and there's a dot on this side and a stripe on the other side. That looks really sharp together. This is the antique lace, and then the stripe is on the other side. And then we have the blue Hawaii. So let's take a look at how well that complements that. It's just perfect, it really is. So that is the paper collection. Now there is more to it than just the paper and the stickers and the chipboard pieces. So let me show you also, in this monthly kit, you'll be getting some charms. They're animal charms. There's a pig, a rooster, and a cow in mine. So I guess I could take those out and hold them in my hand so you can see them a little bit better. So let me get these up close for you. Yeah, recipe book it is. So there's those. Let me see if I can. My light there. Is that good or bad? It's hard to tell. Okay. And along with that, you're going to get some Graphic 45, the Square Crafts Tag Album. These also have tons of different functions. They don't have to just work as tags. And in this collection, I believe there's 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 or 9. Up 9. There's 9. Okay. Here is the Gingham Gardens enamel dots that match. Those are good for accent pieces. One of my favorite things in crafting, flowers. These are the Graphic 45 flowers. The Rose Bouquet collection. I'm not done yet. Inside you will receive a cutout of the apron. These are adorable. And then they have pockets too that we can add. Kind of like the polka dot. Okay. Those are pre-cut for you. There is some trim. So there is a pom-pom trim, about 6 inches. That, to me, the purpose is it's going to go fabulous for our apron. There are some other fibers. There is 3 different colors of seam binding that match perfectly. There's a lot in this kit. This blue twine type of trim. There's some lace. And this is one of my favorites. I love that one. And then there are a couple doilies included. I think there's 2 in there. And then the last thing that is included, this is probably going to be hard to see because they're clear, 2 page protectors that have 4x6 openings. I think it's 4x6. I should probably check that. They're about 4 1/8 or 4 1/4. Looks like 4 1/8 by 6 1/8, so that you can fit a 4x6 recipe card or a note card inside. So you'll get 2 of those. So that is plenty of supplies to make a fabulous project, or 2 or 3. And so it will come neatly wrapped to your door. They ship out, like I said, this is the May kit, and on the website it tells the shipping date. I'm not 100% sure. 10th or 15th is what I'm thinking. But so now you'll have an idea of what to expect if you have ordered the kit for this month or for the year. Some people order a year in advance or get the whole year's worth. But I'm looking forward to making a project. I will include the cutting guide in the Craftology box. And so I hope you are looking forward to it as much as I am. It's a fabulous paper and fabulous embellishments. So we'll be starting to craft with this real soon, and hope you enjoy it.